Pepe coin's potential, can it still deliver 1000% return? Or should investors look to new token with expected 40x gains? Pepe coin, Pepe, was a much-anticipated success, which investors capitalized on to rake in massive profits. Grossing more than 5,000% in only 2 weeks of its release, we can all agree that Pepe made a statement so loud that it cannot be ignored. When it comes to investing, there is no room for sentiment. You'll always find the investors and crypto whales where the best opportunities are, regardless of their personal feelings about the projects. This is why crypto investors are constantly on the prowl for the next best projects that will give them the most ROI. Pepe coin, Pepe, was a much-anticipated success, which investors capitalized on to rake in massive profits. Grossing more than 5,000% in only 2 weeks of its release, we can all agree that Pepe made a statement so loud that it cannot be ignored. It is clear now that Pepe has come to stay. One important question experts are asking is, for how long will investors bank on it to generate massive profit for them? Pepe coin price projection for May. Pepe coin undoubtedly has a reasonable number of followers. This accounts for a recent increase in its daily trading volume in excess of $250 million. This surge in trading volume is an indication of a growing community consisting of active day traders and investors alike. With the number of Pepe holders increasing by the day, experts are betting on more bullish momentum for the meme coin price. However, while Pepe coin, Pepe, might hold some promises for the future, some investors are already on the prowl for promising projects like Pikamoon. What is Pikamoon? Pikamoon is a top-of-the-line P2E game that is speculated to generate over 10,000% in 2023. It is the ultimate adventure game that every crypto enthusiast in the industry is raving about at the moment. Playing games and having fun is cool, but when it comes to Pikamoon, it doesn't just end there. Gamers in the Pikaverse will earn Pika tokens, which they can use in the Pikamoon marketplace to buy gear, boost their health, and even boost their performance. That's not all. Pika earned from bonuses or winning competitions in the Pikaverse can also be converted to fiat in the real world. From embarking on missions to battling on the plains of Driva with your buddies, the Pikamoon game will have you on the edge of your seat the whole time. This is why crypto gamers are going nuts about the Pikamoon game and can't wait for it to launch. Sincerely, P2E games have never been this fun and profitable. To top it all off, Pikamoon is a deflationary token that offers investors the deal of a lifetime. Pikamoon is sure to continually increase in value as the deflationary effect causes the number of tokens in supply to decrease over time, eventually creating scarcity. This is one of the reasons investors are crawling over each other to amass Pikamoon tokens in the ongoing pre-sale. Pikamoon pre-sale. If there's anything you don't want to miss this year in the crypto space, it's definitely Pikamoon's pre-sale. The most valuable P2E crypto is presently on sale for the cheapest it will ever be. That is something you definitely don't want to miss. Pikamoon is in the first stage of its pre-sale, and crypto whales are amassing as many tokens as they can. Each token is presently selling for as little as $0.00002 and will reach a targeted price of $0.00006 by the end of the pre-sale. This means early investors would have earned a massive profit of at least 300% even before the coin launch. If you're serious about making serious returns on your portfolio in 2023, the Pikamoon pre-sale is where it all starts.